Invoicing is a critical function of any business, and Jobman's integration with your accounting platform ensures consistency and accuracy across different systems. Navigate to Accounting from the Settings tab on the User menu panel. Information such as account names, codes, and tax types must be an exact match to your accounting system to ensure a seamless data transfer. Your system may be preloaded with sample data. You can add your own or modify the existing data to suit your organization. For your chart of accounts, you can choose to edit and make changes to the existing data or click Create to add your own. It's important to apply the identical name and code from your accounting software, map it to the correct account type, and apply the correct tax type for the account. Select the option for rounding so Jobman and your accounting software can make the necessary adjustments if needed. The invoice status identifies which state the invoice is in. Set a default status for each new invoice that is created, and select status options to define what actions can take place when an invoice is in that state. Invoice types are the different types of invoices that can be created, such as partial or deposit. Ensure that all codes match with your accounting software and choose the right classification. Even on a partial invoice, the default percentage will be 100, as invoice percentages will vary. Tax types must be set for your region and country and will need to be added for all items that will be invoiced. This information must also match the tax codes in your accounting software. Set default payment terms for your customers and suppliers. This won't override any special terms that have already been set. Now that you have added your account settings, continue with the next video in our series that covers invoice management. Remember, help is always just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question and search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.